so as per same we are going to continue with it. Okay, so let's see what we can do with it. It's why I'm doing, let me tell you the reason behind this thing, why I'm telling this, because the VLANs is going to help out in order of putting the IP addresses, so we can quite make it quite relevant to understand better the things, right? So if there is a VLAN 10, so I will going to provide the IP address to 8.192.168.10.1 for the gateway right here, and the 10 is going to repeatedly going to use it over here, like 192.168, okay, dot 10 again, dot 10, okay, so as you can see, as for same we are continuing dot 10 dot 10. Like here's the thing that would be common for each VLAN, which are similar. Okay, so yeah, let's continue with the same way with the PC22, which is already done. Now what's new? It's done. Okay, I think it's already configured a bit moment before I had done, but recordings interrupted. Maybe it was a timeline issue or something like that. I don't know what was the reason, but it's happened. Okay, now we can continue with the PC1 in the same VLAN, like so 192.168.168.10, likewise 10.1, which is just similar for each VLAN, not each VLAN, for each different VLAN, right? If there's a VLAN 10, so here's the 10. You can get that what I try to say. Okay, so 192.168.10.12. okay, it's 11 actually. If not wrong, we have done 1 2 at 10 11, it would be 12, and then after the next would be 13. Okay, so here it is. We have to configure for this one, same IP 192. We have to be careful, okay, about whatever we are doing with the IP addresses. So at that moment while doing, we have to just beware about what exactly I'm doing. Okay, like this is for the gateway, that would be similar for all. Okay, so 192.168.10.13. yep, it's done. The VLAN 10 we have done. Okay, so we have done with the VLAN 10. This is time for VLAN 20. So IP address for this would be 192.168.20.1. this is the default gateway for VLAN 20. okay, like 192.168.168. what is happening now? 8.20.10, because this is the first PC of VLAN 20. so yeah, okay, the second one, the VLAN 192.168.20.11, not 11, you know, this is the gateway, remember that. 168.20.11. now it's done. Okay, it's time to VLAN 30. It's time to do with VLAN 30. so 192.168.30.1, this is the gateway. 192.168.10, not 10 actually, it's 30, right? Yep. So 10, this is the first PC of VLAN 30, right? Yes, exactly. So the second would be 11, that would be 11, like 192.168.30.1. Okay, so 192, it's a quite a similar thing that we are doing again and again. 168.30.1, not 1 actually, this is be 11. What about the gateway address, which is wrong? Not it's all done with VLAN 30. Now let's configure the VLAN 40 192.168.40.1. Okay, so 192.2.168.168.40. Yep. Okay, as per same, continue with the 192.168.40.1. okay, what's wrong with this? I think it was comma instead of dot. 192.168.40.1. nothing gonna happen wrong. Okay, so 192.168.40.40. This is the PC6, it means that the second one, so that would be 11. Yeah, .192.168. we have to make full focus. 192.168.40.12. One 168 dot, okay, 40.1 is the gateway. So 192.168.40.13. Yep. Okay, so we have done the all with the all pieces. I think, yeah, this all pieces to VLAN 10, 20, 30 and 40 all set. Okay, what would be next is we have to configure the switches. So let's see what about the switches that we can do with it. So before doing anything, we have to do hygiene first, as I do always. So even I'm repeating the whole thing, you know, so that's a good habit, what we can say. Switch 1, yep, then the service password hyphen encryption, that done. No IP domain hyphen lookup. Okay, so no IP domain hyphen lookup. Yeah, two major thing is we can configure the console password and remote access. This all thing we can put the banner. This is all right. It's a good habit, you know. Let's call the interface where we are going to assign this all. So the interface 0, 2 and 3 for access port, right? Okay, so I will call the interface, which is F, which I will call it the range F0 0 slash, which is 2 with 2 3. Then I will put the description. Okay, so which is connected to the PC1 and PC2. We can first go, we can do this thing, right? Okay, so we can put this like put this way, like F0 2 with the PC1, F02 with PC1, and F0 slash